Multitasking. Searching the internet while attending class, texting while driving. A lot of us think we're pretty good at multitasking, but are we really? Today, we're going to find out by doing the multitasking task. And honestly, this task is a killer. What to do in the following task? Well, you're going to respond with button presses to letters and numbers. You will only need two keys, B and N. You will always see a letter-number combination. For example, G1. If the letter-number combination appears at the top of the screen, you will need to respond to the letter. If the letter-number combination appears at the bottom of the screen, you will need to respond to the number. I mean, it's so obvious. If the letter-number combination appears in the top quadrants, respond to the letter. In this case, G. Now, for the letter task, if it's a consonant, like G, K, M, or R, press B. But if it's a vowel, like A, E, I, U, press N. Now, if the letter-number combination appears in the bottom quadrants, respond to the number, in this case, a 6. For odd numbers, such as 3, 5, 7, and 9, press B. For even numbers, like 2, 4, 6, and 8, press. If we're looking at the top of the screen, you need to respond to the G and ignore the 6. The G is a consonant, so you press the B. If the letter-number combination appears at the bottom of the screen, you need to respond to the 4, the number, and ignore the G. The 4 is even, so you press. That's everything you should know for the most difficult part of the study. Try to respond fast and try to make few mistakes. You should now be. Let's just do the letter task. So you'll be looking at the top of the screen. Consonants are J, K, M, and R. Press B. Your vowels are A, E, I, U. Press. I'm speeding this up for your endurance. Oh man, I suck. Still going. Now let's just practice the number task. You're going to be looking at the bottom of the screen. For odd numbers like 3, 5, 7, and 9, press B. For even numbers like 2, 4, 6, and 8, press. Doing the test, numbers, numbers, numbers. Oops. Numbers, 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 numbers. More numbers. Oh, so bored. Numbers, numbers, numbers. Numbers, numbers. So everything we've done up till now is nothing more than the Simon task with a distractor. Now we're going to put the two tasks together and we'll be the whole thing together. Whoops. Oh man, this is hard. Oh, still going. So here are my results. I have a reaction time in the single task blocks where I was doing either the letters or the numbers. I have a reaction time in the mixed block for task trials when I was doing 2 letters in a row or 2 numbers in a row. And then there were reaction times in the mixed block where I was doing task switch trials, where I was switching from identifying a letter to a number or from a number to a letter. And those costs in reaction time are the difference between the task switch trials and the